to share a YouTube video link on your Instagram story? First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now find the video you want to share and tap on it. Under the video, tap the share button. Then tap copy link to copy the YouTube link. Next, take a screenshot of the video thumbnail. This will help your viewers know what video you are sharing. Now, open the Instagram app. Tap the plus button at the bottom and choose a story. Select the screenshot you took. Adjust it on the screen however you like. Now, tap the sticker icon at the top. Then tap on link. Paste the YouTube link you copied earlier and pressed on. Make the link bigger and move it anywhere on your story, like this. Finally, tap your story in the bottom left to post it. And that's it. You have successfully shared a YouTube video link on your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, please.